Quality Engineer Interview Practice Questions, Set 10. Question 1. What is a smoke test in QA? A. A test for system's overall stability and critical functions. B. Testing to identify memory leaks. C. A performance test for extreme conditions. D. Testing security features for vulnerabilities. The correct answer is A. A test for system's overall stability and critical functions. Smoke testing ensures that the system's basic functions work as expected. Question 2. What is the main purpose of sanity testing? A. Verifying that the software build is stable enough for testing. B. Testing the functionality of all features in detail. C. Ensuring the system works under high traffic conditions. D. Testing the security of the system after an update. The correct answer is A. Verifying that the software build is stable enough for testing. Sanity testing checks if the software is stable before further testing can occur. Question 3. What is boundary value analysis? A. Testing the system with values that are near boundaries of input. B. Testing the system's response to invalid input values. C. Testing the system under high load conditions. D. Testing the system's security under extreme conditions. The correct answer is A. Testing the system with values that are near boundaries of input. Boundary value analysis checks edge cases to ensure correct handling of input values. Question 4. What is stability testing? A. Verifying the system is stable after multiple changes over time. B. Testing the system under high load conditions. C. Ensuring the software is free of critical bugs. D. Testing system features for security risks. The correct answer is A. Verifying the system is stable after multiple changes over time. Stability testing ensures that the system can handle prolonged usage without failure. Question 5. What does confidentiality mean in security testing? A. Ensuring only authorized users can access sensitive data. B. Verifying that the system works under all conditions. C. Testing the system's ability to manage high traffic. D. Ensuring that the software is free of bugs. The correct answer is A. Ensuring only authorized users can access sensitive data. Confidentiality ensures sensitive data is protected from unauthorized access. Question 6. What is a test plan? A. A detailed document outlining the scope and approach of testing. B. A report of defects discovered during testing. C. A document containing all the test cases for a system. D. A script used to automate test execution. The correct answer is A. A detailed document outlining the scope and approach of testing. A test plan defines testing objectives, resources, and strategies for the project. Question 7. What is test case execution? A. Writing new test cases for the next release. B. Running the test cases to check if the system behaves as expected. C. Automating test cases using a scripting language. D. Documenting the results of executed tests. The correct answer is B. Running the test cases to check if the system behaves as expected. Test case execution involves actually running the planned tests to verify system behavior. Question 8. What is the difference between functional testing and non-functional testing? A. Functional testing evaluates features, non-functional tests evaluate performance, security, etc. B. Functional testing checks for bugs, non-functional tests do not. C. Functional tests are automated, non-functional tests are manual. D. There is no difference between the two types of testing. The correct answer is A. Functional testing evaluates features, non-functional tests evaluate performance, security, etc. Functional testing focuses on functionality, while non-functional testing checks other quality attributes. Question 9. What is exploratory testing? A. Testing the system's response to random inputs. B. Testing the system without predefined test cases. C. Automated testing based on predefined scripts. D. Testing the software under high traffic conditions. The correct answer is B. Testing the system without predefined test cases. Exploratory testing involves testers using their intuition and knowledge to find defects. Question 10. What is user acceptance testing? A. Testing performed by developers to ensure the system works correctly. B. Testing done by users to confirm the system meets their needs. C. Testing that checks if the system can handle stress. D. Testing the system for security vulnerabilities. The correct answer is B. Testing done by users to confirm the system meets their needs. UAT ensures the system meets user requirements and expectations before deployment. Question 11. What is risk-based testing? A. Testing based on the most critical and high-risk areas of the system. B. Testing based on the least used features of the system. C. Testing based on the time available before release. D. Testing based on user feedback. The correct answer is A. Testing based on the most critical and high-risk areas of the system. Risk-based testing prioritizes areas with the highest potential impact on the system. Question 12. What is acceptance criteria? A. Conditions that a system must meet for it to be considered complete. B. The process of planning test cases for a project. C. Conditions that define how to automate a test case. D. Conditions for how tests should be reported. The correct answer is A. Conditions that a system must meet for it to be considered complete. Acceptance criteria define the expectations for a feature or system to be considered done. Question 13. What is test automation? A. Automating manual testing to increase speed and accuracy. B. Writing test cases without using a test management tool. C. Using scripts to manually execute test cases. D. Automating the deployment process of the software. The correct answer is A. Automating manual testing to increase speed and accuracy. Test automation helps reduce manual effort and increases testing efficiency. Question 14. What is performance testing? A. Testing how the system handles large amounts of data. B. Testing the system's ability to perform under various workloads. C. Testing the system for security vulnerabilities. D. Testing the visual elements of the user interface. The correct answer is B. Testing the system's ability to perform under various workloads. Performance testing measures how well the system performs under different conditions and loads. Question 15. What is automation script? A. A script written to automate the execution of test cases. B. A script that tests the system's security features. C. A script for manual testing purposes. D. A script to automatically deploy new releases to production. The correct answer is A. A script written to automate the execution of test cases. Automation scripts perform repetitive testing tasks more efficiently and reduce human error. Question 16. What is defect tracking? A. Documenting and managing defects discovered during testing. B. Identifying performance bottlenecks in the system. C. Tracking the success of automated test cases. D. Reporting the status of the testing project. The correct answer is A. Documenting and managing defects discovered during testing. Defect tracking ensures that all identified issues are logged, managed, and resolved properly. Question 17. What is test data? A. Data used in testing to validate system behavior. B. Data collected from system logs during tests. C. System data that needs to be backed up during tests. D. Randomly generated data for performance tests. The correct answer is A. Data used in testing to validate system behavior. Test data helps simulate real-world scenarios to evaluate the system's functionality. Question 18. What is load testing? A. Testing how many users the system can handle simultaneously. B. Testing the system under extreme security attacks. C. Testing to identify memory leaks. D. Testing the speed of feature development. The correct answer is A. Testing how many users the system can handle simultaneously. Load testing ensures the system performs well under expected user traffic. Question 19. What is stress testing? A. Testing how the system behaves under heavy loads. B. Testing the system's security under intense threats. C. Testing system recovery after failures. D. Testing the user interface under varying screen resolutions. The correct answer is A. Testing how the system behaves under heavy loads. Stress testing evaluates the system's ability to function under extreme conditions. Question 20. What is version control? A. Tracking changes to code and test scripts over time. B. Managing the number of test cases in each version. C. Controlling access to test environment setups. D. Managing feature releases in production. The correct answer is A. Tracking changes to code and test scripts over time. Version control tracks code changes, ensuring updates don't cause issues in testing.